Good evening. I hope you're doing well. So, I want us to try out the new pressure cooker that I bought. So, I've not used it by the way since it came. So, I just want us to do this together. I show you how I'm gonna be using it. So, for today, I'm going to be making green brand. This is the brand that I'm using, CIL green brand. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. You guys just subscribe kindly, I beg you. So guys, let's just do this, guys. So guys, here we have our machine. It's over here. So I'll just open the lid. This is the lid, and then this is our cable. We connect it over here. That way. And we're just going to lock this. So there is this thingy over here. Let me just try it a little bit. There's this thing over here that is somehow outward. So let's lock it and see. Sorry. So when it's outward, when it's not locked, it's a bit longer. When you lock it, it becomes shorter. The distance becomes shorter. So inaingia ndani. Yeah, and then we shall turn this thing, this, you see this thing over here, we shall turn it towards this valve. Then let's now set up which one, then it brings all this function. Although on this menu you don't have the, what is it called, lentils or beans or whatever. So I'm going to set it manually. I'll just put around 20 minutes and see. So That's 30 minutes. Let me just reduce. So when you press preset, it gives you 30 minutes. So let me set that to 30 then. Sorry. No. Let me cancel. So I'll use the, what is it called? The chicken. Let me use, no, chicken. Let me use meat, because meat is a bit harder, and these are green rams that are not soaked. So let me use the meat option. It has given me 15 minutes. Let me add, sorry, 15 minutes. So given me, let me cook them for 15 minutes and then see. Okay, so let it start cooking, then we'll see how it does. So guys, as you can see, it's written on P15. This means that the pressure has already built up, so the countdown is about to start. So if you're using this for the first time, you'll have to wait for some time before the countdown begins. So you see, it's at 14 minutes now. So you'll take maybe approximately around meal to be cooked. So yeah, I'll show you the rest as we continue, guys.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Blacking out, fractures fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Blacking out, fractures fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet.